Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel TechWise Rahul. If you're studying for Certified Kubernetes Administrator exam or even just think about it, then this is a video you must absolutely watch. Because today we are talking about a huge pitfall that every CKA's aspirants fall into, which is CKA dump traps. You have probably seen them. Website promising guaranteed pass with the latest exam questions. They are called CKA dumps, and on the surface, they can seem incredibly tempting. Who wouldn't want a shortcut to passing one of the certifications out there? But here is the harsh reality. Falling for CKA dumps is not only the waste of your time and money, but it fundamentally your goal of becoming a competent Kubernetes administrator. And trust me, the Linux Foundation who administer the CKA exam are good at spotting dump users. Now, let's break down why these dumps are such a trap. The first is outdated information. The CKA exam is live and constantly evolving. Dumps are static. What was on the exam last month might not be there today. You will be studying irrelevant content. The second we would have it, no understanding. Dump encourage rote memorization. They don't teach you why something works or how to troubleshoot when it doesn't. The CK is an practical hands-on exam. You need to apply knowledge, not just recall it. Cheating detections. The Linux Foundation is a serious about exam integrity. They have sophisticated method to detect patterns of cheating. If you're caught using dumps, your certifications can be revoked and you might be banned from future exams. Is that risk worth it? You won't be real CK. Even if by some miracle, if you pass using the dumps, you won't have the skills to back up your certificate. Imagine getting a job as a Kubernetes administrator and not knowing how to actually do anything. That's a quickly way to lose credibility and opportunity. So, what's the alternative? The only effective way to the pass CKA and more importantly to become a truly skilled Kubernetes administrator is through practical hands-on learning. The CKA is a performance-based exam. This means you will be given a live Kubernetes cluster and a series of tasks to complete using the command line. There are no multiple choice questions. You have to do it. Get your hands dirty. Spin up your own Kubernetes cluster. Use Minikube, Kind, or a cloud provider's free tier. Break things. Fix things. This is where real learning happens. Master the kubectl command utility. This is your primary tool. Practice every command, every flag. Learn how to debug pods, create a deployment, manage services, and troubleshoot network issues. Official documentation is your friend. This exam allows you to use the official Kubernetes documentations. Get familiar with it. Knowing how to quickly find an information is a critical skill. Lab environments. Use platforms like kubectl, Killer Shell, or create your own lab exercises. These are designed to mimic the exam environment and build muscle memory. Understand the concept. Don't just follow the tutorials blindly. Understand why you are doing something. What problem does this solve? And how does this Kubernetes actually work under the hood? So, if you are serious about the CKA certification and your career in Kubernetes, here's your action plan. Ditch the dump. Seriously, avoid them at all cost. Embrace hands-on. Dedicate significant time to practical lab and exercises. The third and one of the most important thing is practice, practice, and practice. The more you do, the more confident you will become. Understand. Don't memorize the concepts. Focus on underlying it. Utilize official resources. The Kubernetes documentation is your ultimate guide. Using the CKA with a genuine knowledge and skills will not only earn a valuable certifications but will open a doors to the incredible opportunities in the cloud native world. It's a challenging, but it's incredibly rewarding. You have got this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Kubernetes content. Let me know in the comments below what's your challenge for preparation for the CKA journey. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.